Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Blossom and Brook's Dr. Suess Week. Today I'm going to read to you The Shape of Me and Other Stuff, obviously by Dr. Suess. It is a surprising word book. The shape of you, the shape of me, the shape of everything we see. A bug, a balloon, a bed, a bike. No shapes are ever quite alike. Just think about the shape of beans and flowers and mice and big machines. Just think about the shape of strings and elephants and other things. Lots of elephants there. Everybody remembers elephants are Miss Heather's favorite, right? It's okay if you don't. The shape of lips, the shape of ships, the shape of water when it drips. Miss Heather just got back from a vacation on a big ship, so I know that shape. And the shape of camels, the shape of bees, and the wonderful shapes of backdoor keys. And the shapes of spider webs and clothes. And speaking of shapes, now just suppose. Suppose you were shaped like these, or those, or shaped like a blog, or a garden hose. Can you imagine being shaped like a garden hose? Would you spit water? Of all the shapes we might have been, look at all the shapes on that page. What do you see? A trombone, a candlestick, a whale, a camel. Of all the shapes we might have been, I say hooray for the shapes we're in. And I hope you enjoyed that story. Please come back and join us again Thursday for another Dr. Suess story.